Hello YouTube. It is Friday, November the 9th, and it's about 12:30 in the afternoon. And you can see here, hopefully you can, we're at the historic Arkansas Riverwalk of Pueblo Authority. This is the whole map here. This is everything of interest. You can pause and read if you like. So we have that. Let's see on this side. We got Zebulon Montgomery Pike. You can read all that if you like. Hopefully you can maybe see that. Now look, these are made like wood. Okay, so it's got the where it's at. And then okay, so same thing over here, just there you go. Yeah, maybe. Here got a little, what I guess is what's making out to be part of this river walk. You can see there's a little piece over there, then there's this piece over here, and then there's this, that's the South Fork, and there's this thing. Built the blockhouse at Canyon City. Okay, so I guess this is what Zebulon Pike did. I guess this is really all about him. So back on this other side, and Savage. Okay, so I don't know, hard to make all this stuff out. Here we got us a buffalo, so there you go. All right, so we're going to be starting right here doing this Pueblo River walk. You can see there's a little dam right there. Pretty nice, right? And then as we run across other things, I'll bring them to you and show you. All right, so right here across in the center of the river here, you can see over here on the left there's a bear, a couple of mountain goats or sheep up there. Then there's actually a couple of wild turkeys over here by this tree. If you can see that, there's a lot of glare in that water. But here, as we walk along, check this out. Got us a buffalo here. Now how cool is he? We like the buffalo. He's just laying there, chilling out, doing his Buffy thing. Alright, so here we are right beside the river, and you can see this nice bridge up here. We're gonna walk under. Thought you might enjoy that. So far, very easy. It's nice and wide. Flat sidewalk you can see there. You can see the water right here beside us. And like I said, if you look there, you see all that glare. So, it's what it looks like around us. It's a nice cupola over there above that building. So that looks pretty nice. And then, yeah, I know it goes down here to the right, so we'll be heading straight down that way. And then we'll wind up coming back on the other side and going up through there. That's where we're going. So, pretty cool so far. Let's keep going. All right, and here's the next bridge that we're going under. And here, if we can, you can see the Pueblo Toyota. This is 7/16 of a mile. They're sponsoring this thing. This is Allen Hamill Avenue. It says on that sign there. So you got this cute little bridge that traffic is actually on, and then we get to walk under. You see they got quite a few benches, so hopefully you can. There, yeah, now it's coming in.
This would be a good place in the summer to hang out.
Yeah. So they got 3 benches on this side. And then they got, well, they got 3 benches actually on that side over there as well.
It's not a good place in the winter to hang out.
No, kind of cool. Kind of cool. Got some nice doors on it there. Sidewalk closed, use Veterans Bridge. What? Alright, so next we come upon this Indian lady here. Let's see what we got. Walks among the stars. That's kind of hard to read. I gotta say, but boy, her dress looks really nice. That looks real. Very, very, very nice. That's definitely metal. Yeah, that's for sure metal.
Looks like fog.
Wow, look at her fingers and stuff. The fingernails, the details. Wow, let's look at her from behind here. This thing, oh wow, this is really, really cool. I gotta admit, I like that. Is that not nice?
It's very nice.
Looks like it's blowing in the wind where she's wrapping it around her.
But look, it looks like old beads on there.
Yeah.
And that is not beads.
And the movement, and here, look at that. Look at her braided hair right there. The feathers, look how nice those are. Wow, talk about oh, and look, I didn't even notice this, the knife. Check it out. Wow.
In her shoes.
That is so nice. Yeah, look at that. Beaded moccasins. I think you can see that.
This is all beaded up here.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole thing that she's wearing here, it looks beaded. It's metal. That is very, very cool. Like that. All right. Let's go on and see what else we can find. Again, right there is two eagles. Don't know how well you can see them, but they're fighting in midair. So that's pretty neat. Okay, yeah, if you look right there, that's a bike wreck. That's a big red fish. We'll be over there, I'm sure, and we'll see that. And you got this little boy and this little girl right here. Just playing. Got some real life ducks in the water over there. Here's another bench. And then over here, you see this longhorn in this parking lot over here? That's pretty cool. If you can hear, those ducks are making a crazy noise. And here's a kid with a sailboat. He's thinking about putting that thing in the water and let them ducks carried away. Another bench with some black symbols on it.
Here's the sidewalk's closed.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. And so right down there, it also says we were in this together. So it says that on that wall twice. And then the sidewalk is closed right down here. So we're going to have to go back over the bridge. And then we'll check it out from there over here. Get you some nice duckies there. So, okay, now we're up here on top of the bridge. And we're face to face with those eagles right over there. Hopefully they're coming through well. And there's a little kid I just see on that end of the island right about there. Alright, so we're going to walk over this. You can see some buildings. The river down there. And we'll be walking on that sidewalk there in just a minute. Over here is another one of these things is where people are in the military. And they got their names and their years they spent in. Just sort of give you an overview of this thing. Pretty cool. Alright, so here we got the fish and bike rack I showed you from the other side over there. We're now on this side of it. There's his tail right there. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, so now we're going to go into the Main Street Bridge. And that's it here. Pretty nice architecture. I really do like these bridges. These are very, very nice. And let's see, so there's just one bench, just a plain bench, right? Getting the shade over there, you can see that one. And over across the river, we'll be walking there in a little bit. There's one over there. If you can see it, man, it's so glary. Alright, so let's go on up here and check out some more stuff. So here you can see we've got a waterfall there across the way. And we'll be walking over there in a little bit when we get on the other side. Some more buildings and stuff here. But then, there's that great big cupola right there that we saw a little piece of earlier on. You can see here's some steps. You can get up out of here and some ramps. And then, got another bridge up here. This is the Union Avenue Bridge. And over here is Angelo's. It's a pizza station, it says on that sign over there. So if you want some pizza on the Riverwalk, well, there you go.
And if you want to bring your doggy along, they're fine with it.
So you see,
For the outdoor.
San Antonio ain't got nothing on Pueblo. Well, maybe it's got a little something, but you know. You can see they've got a couple of boats here and a gondola as well that I'm sure you can buy a ticket. And right, yeah, it says Riverwalk Pueblo right there, so I'm sure you buy your tickets and then you can jump on one of these boats and take you a cruise. Here, I'll give you a side shot of these things as the sun don't...
A nice little romantic ride in the gondola.
Yeah, you could. Look, it's even got a heart. If you look on the gondola here, the seat has got a heart shape. So yeah, that's all built and made for romance. All right, we got a couple of kids wrestling, looks like, or something, or maybe exercising.
Yeah, that's wrestling. That's basketball.
And then here's basketball. Right here.
Softball. Football.
Oh yeah, here's either baseball or softball. It's girls. It says diamonds on her shirt. And angels, it says on her shirt. Dear Rose, looking for a family, behold, children are a gift of the Lord. Okay. How neat is that? And then over here we got some football, a boy and a girl playing some football. Pretty cool. Alright, so right here's where we just go around and we'll walk back and then we'll be done with the river walk, but we'll get to see some of the other stuff up close and personal. See what we can find. You can see the little waterfall right here. Man, that sun is really glistening off of that. Gotta tell you. And then this side, I'll show you this, Victoria Avenue. That sounds pretty nice, don't it? Kelly Falls, Brett and Pat Kelly, it says. Alright, like that. Here, now we can see from this side where that is actually running under us. And then it's heading on out, right on down. And then over here some more, just the street out there. See, there's still leaves on this tree. And like I said earlier, it's November the 9th, so still got some greenery hanging out in Pueblo. So up here some stuff looks like about some history around. Got some neat pictures built into there and the same different things. And then look at the color on this. Yeah, there's the whole thing. That's definitely colorful. And then more of this up close to show you some of the history, some of these pictures. It's very much black and white. The Pueblo Historic Flood Wall. Okay. See, so this will tell you the story, obviously, of the river and how this used to flood. Alright, that's interesting. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Well, they can give you an up close and personal on the gondola. See that? That side's not so much like a heart, but this side is. There, isn't that neat? And here's what the boat looks like, just like regular chairs on here. And then just drive it right here. You ready to go? Let's go. Okay. Alright, so right here, we're on the other side of the river, obviously, as you know. And here's a horse and a colt. I'll show you the colt. There we go. Mother and baby. Right there. Pretty cool, huh? I like that. And look at those faces. Close and personal. I like that. Alright. Now right over here, you can see on this side, if you remember, I showed you the mountain sheep that's up at the top right there. But look on this side, there's some deer, some ducks. There's a big heron right there. So quite a bit of little wildlife. And then we're going to walk across that bridge right there, and that's going to finish this thing up. Alright, so you see this? This is bells. And they're actually asking you to ring these bells in memory of Chris Weaver and the love he had for Pueblo. Is that not a pretty sound? We like it. Okay, so here's our final bridge. And I will show you water's running down here and on out right down there. So this is that very first waterfall that I showed you. We are above that and looking down at it right there. Oh, and there's a live duck in it over there. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, there's a red leaf, if you can see it, somewhere's in that neighborhood. You see the duck down there? Pretty cool, huh? Interpretive display. So you see there, got quite a few fish. Yeah, we got some birdies down here. Oh, quail, that's a quail. Yeah, dragonfly right there. There you go. That's a dragonfly. Right there's the snake she's talking about. And let me get this around here and show you this quail. See that got 5 little babies back there. Over here is some frogs. There's one jumping. And then we got another dragonfly right there. And these 1, 2, 3, 4 fish at least. Oh,
lion.
Oh yeah, and back on the other side there was a well, it's a mountain lion. You see the you can see the sheep up at the top. Right down below is the mountain lion just laying there on that rock. So and back there's the horses I just showed you a moment ago. All right, very, very cool. Cool. And here's where we started, and this is where we'll end her.